Hello, my dear students. Today the topic is energetics of bond formation. According to the modern theory of chemical bonding, atoms form bonds as it leads to a decrease in energy. Means, how come energy is related to the process when a bond is formed? Is it always required or produced? You see in the given slide, hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules are taking part in a reaction and they are combining to form new water molecules. So, what is the energy changes for this purpose? Today we are going to study about all this. It is very obvious that when a chemical reaction occurs, bonds are broken down and new bonds are formed. That is why new substances are formed. As in the previous slide, we were observing that hydrogen and oxygen molecules are taking part in the reaction and the bonds are broken down here between these diatomic molecules and new bonds are formed. You see, this is how substances are reacting and forming new substances. But why it is so special related to energy? You see, two water molecules are broken down to form hydrogen and oxygen. And energy is always required to break a bond. Means whenever reactants are producing product after a chemical reaction, a definite amount of energy is absorbed. Means it is required. And this energy is called as the bond energy. And it is also a fact that energy is released when a bond is made. Means reactants, when they are in their atomic level, they are at a higher energy state, and when they react, the bonds are formed, they become molecules or compounds, the energy is lowered and they are more stable. So we see how it happens. Let's talk about hydrogen molecules. The hydrogen molecule is a diatomic molecule which consists of two hydrogen atoms bonded together. Now what happens when hydrogen atoms approach each other? Approach means when they come closer, when they come to form a kind of bond between them. And bond is a force of attractions. So what happens when atoms come closer? Two types of forces operate. When the atoms tries to close, then the attractive forces are operating. More attraction, the least distance between them. But at the same times, the atoms repel because electrons are there, same charges are there. And when the atoms go far, the attractive forces dominate. And it has been found that the potential energy for the attractive forces is more than the repulsive forces. Means when the atoms come closer, the potential energy of the system decreases. This is how when the atoms come closer, the potential energy decreased as an overall effect, because attractive forces dominate the repulsive forces. Now see what happens. Potential energy, when we make a graph of potential energy and internuclear distance, when the hydrogen come closer, the attractive forces are the maximum and the potential energy is the lowest energy state. This is how when a bond is formed, the molecule or the hydrogen atoms are at the maximum stability. And when the bond is broken down, the atoms go far and the energy of the system increases. This is the energy which is evolved when the bond is formed, is called as bond energy. And when we see its exact values, it is 436 kilojoule per mole energy is released when a bond is formed between hydrogen atoms per mole, and they are just 75.4 picometer apart. So this is how we learn about the formation of a bond and requirement of bond energy. So you have to apply the same energetic rule for all the bonds. When they are forming, the energy is required. Now let us think, when the repulsive forces are dominant, then the attractive forces, then energy will be required. So the system will be increasing its energy and it will be leading to instability. Means when the system is at lowest energy, it is most stable, and when it is at high energy, it is least stable, and a bond is not formed in that case. And whenever chemicals react, the energy is lowered down when they form compounds. It's all about today's concept, and I will be coming up with more following topics just to make your clear understanding about the topics. And if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly do it and watch the videos. All of the videos are there in the library just for your facilitation and to upgrade your results. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care.